Look no further than the 2020 Ford Expedition Max. This vehicle still has fewer than 70,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's an awe-inspiring Ford Expedition Max, the premium full-size SUV with an extended wheelbase and enhanced cargo capacity. It packs a host of luxurious amenities, plus increased head and legroom, even in the third row. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, third row seat, dual zone AC, electronic stability control. Relax and soak up the calm of a luxuriously spacious passenger oasis when you journey in the Expedition Max. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.